This is the question I get asked the most. How do I grow my business using public speaking, and where do I start? I'm Serena, and I'm a public speaking coach and trainer, and I work with business leaders to grow their business using public speaking. And my answer is always the same. Be strategic about your speaking. And it's actually more straightforward than you think. I've created my own framework, which is called the 5 speaker assets that I believe every business owner needs as part of their business. Number 1, a clear and impactful elevator pitch. This is the foundation. Every business owner needs an elevator pitch that works at networking events and that everyone in their team knows how to deliver so that the message is clear and consistent across the whole business. That doesn't mean everyone sounds like a robot and all sound the same. They'll each introduce themselves in their own way. But when it comes to describing the company and what the company does, their core message should be the same because consistency really matters. Number 2 is a signature speech. A signature speech is a talk that you can deliver at conferences and events, whether that's 15, 30, or 45 minutes. A great signature speech does several things. It shows your audience the problem you solve, why that problem matters, and why you're the person to solve it. It teaches them something valuable. It compels them to take action and gives them a real sense of who you are as a person. Personal stories that share your values, your journey, and your credibility are also incredibly powerful. So are client cases where your audience can see themselves in the story. The clearer people can see your credibility and how you solve a problem, the more likely they are to be a client. 3, video content. Creating a strategy where you regularly speak on video across your social channels is one of the most powerful things that you can do. It works on your blogs, your email marketing, across your social media. Think of it as a 24/7 marketing tool for your business. I can't stress that enough. It's so important to be out there and be visible regularly. Number 4, webinars and online workshops. There are so many ways to use online speaking, and they are hugely underused. A well-delivered webinar can be a fantastic lead magnet, but it really is a skill. Speaking to an online audience engagingly takes practice, and it's worth investing in getting it right. You also need to make sure that it doesn't appear salesy and that you're adding a lot of value every time you deliver. Number 5, a training course. A training course you can use as a lead magnet or for internal training, something that you're teaching. It demonstrates your expertise. If you can teach your audience something that's genuinely useful, they'll want to know more, and that's what can lead to more clients. So those are the 5 speaker assets that I recommend every business owner develops. The best place to start is with the elevator pitch, and then move on to the signature speech, because so many opportunities flow from just those 2 alone. I've built my entire business through speaking, and it's one of the best ways to win clients, generate referrals, and grow. If you'd like to learn more, do sign up to my newsletter where you learn more about how you can grow your business through public speaking.